Hello there. I hope everyone is having a great day today. I'm back again. Welcome to my channel. I know we already spoke about Microsoft CoPilot briefly. I showed you some examples in one of the other videos. Now I'm going to go over the admin center that supports CoPilot. So what I did, I went to admin.microsoft.com, or you can go to portal.office.com to access this page. You want to go ahead and click on show all so you can see all of the options. I'm going to scroll down to Power Platform. This is the new admin center that, like I said, is managing CoPilot. All right, so we're going to start with, we're only going to talk about the actions. All right, I'm going to click on actions. So as you see, Microsoft highly recommends me to turn on the tenant-wide analytics. So let's click here. Basically, that will monitor all the activity within your apps, especially CoPilot. So it's great to go ahead and turn that on. You'll see me live turning the app on itself. All right, let's go ahead and turn that on and save. All right, so it is now on. All right, so it's no longer in the active actions for me to take. And I'm going to conclude this video for now. Just to recap, we went to the admin center of CoPilot, which is Power Platform. Once we got in here, we went to actions. There was one recommendation. We clicked on it and we turned it on, and now there's no longer any recommendations. So bye for now. Stay tuned for more videos. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Have a good one. Bye.